One day, Layla, a curious young girl, was exploring her grandmother's attic when she stumbled upon an old wooden chest. She opened it and found four beautiful dresses in bright colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. Layla decided to try on the red dress first. As soon as she wore it, she felt something magical happening. Suddenly, she could leap high into the air like a bird, jumping effortlessly from place to place, flying like a light butterfly. Layla flew out of her window and soared over the nearby forest. As she floated above, she watched the animals and listened to the birds' songs, feeling like she was part of nature. She loved this new ability and decided to use it to help the creatures in the forest. The next day, Layla chose the blue dress. The moment she put it on, she felt a cool breeze surrounding her. She noticed that every time she moved her hands, water flowed from them. Now, she could control water. Layla went to the village's flower garden, which had dried up because of a drought. She started sprinkling water from her hands, reviving all the flowers and trees. The garden bloomed again, thanks to her magic. Layla heard that the nearby lake was drying up. She rushed over and began filling the lake with her magic water powers. The lake returned to its clear, blue state, and the fish swam happily once again. On the third day, Layla chose the green dress. This dress made her feel strong and flexible like the trees, as she could now control plants. As soon as she touched the ground, trees and flowers sprouted around her rapidly. Layla visited a small farm in the village. The farmers were complaining about the poor crop harvest. With just one touch, Layla made the crops grow quickly, producing ripe and delicious fruits and vegetables. While in the forest, Layla met an injured deer. She used her power over plants to create a soft bed of flowers and grass for the deer, helping it feel comfortable and heal faster. Finally, Layla wore the yellow dress. This dress gave her the ability to control sunlight and light. She felt like she was glowing like the sun, and every time she pointed her finger, light would spread everywhere. When night fell, the village was dark due to a power outage. Layla used her magic yellow dress to light up the entire village with warm, golden lights, making everyone feel happy and safe. One day, thick clouds covered the fields, blocking the sunlight and making the plants struggle. With a wave of her hand, Layla made the sun shine brightly again, clearing the clouds and helping the plants grow strong and healthy. The villagers soon learned about Layla's magical powers and decided to throw a big celebration in her honor. Layla attended, wearing her yellow dress, and lit up the entire party with colorful lights. The sky was filled with vibrant colors and joy. One night, Layla was visited in a dream by an old wizard. He told her that the magical dresses weren't just for fun, they were a gift to help others. He reminded her that each dress came with a responsibility. One day, Layla faced her biggest challenge yet. The forces of nature gathered together and caused a massive storm that threatened the village. Layla decided to wear all four dresses at once. She felt an incredible power within her and used all her abilities to save the village. After the storm ended, everyone knew that Layla wasn't just an ordinary girl. She was the village's protector, armed with her magical dresses.